Hey guys, so finally we have reached our villa. I am actually speechless, so you will hear less of my voice and more of the view. This is the all water villa setup that they have, and just in another 30 seconds I'm gonna show you the view of our villa. So here it comes. This is our room. I shouldn't call it room, it's actually a villa. And what I'm talking about, you will soon find out. They have kept two umbrellas here just in case it rains. A beautiful wooden setting, all wooden flooring. And I am entering our villa. This is the first entrance. They have a small, beautiful apothecary table, I guess, completely made out of wood. And here is the grand suite that they have set up for us. Okay, so over here is the minibar. This is the one that is chargeable. Oh, okay, again I would like to tell you that we have taken an all-inclusive package. All-inclusive package includes the breakfast, lunch, dinner and all the drinks. Please people, take it seriously. It is too hot over here and you will be needed to be hydrated. So all-inclusive package is really good over here. That is the best option we should have, as water is too costly over here. So for now, rest things apart, only have a look of the room. This is great wooden ceiling with again a wooden fan. A beautiful soothing decor they have, all wooden ambience with the brown ambience. Oh, this is the jacuzzi and the beach chairs. I will take you for this from the other side of the door. They have a beautiful couch with a round sitting. That's the television, which we are hardly gonna watch. This is the wardrobe changing room. They have two beautiful wooden wardrobes. We here have the life jackets inside, and they have also the electronic case safe. Here is the mirror, the mirrors and the chargers. That is the plug point over there. That is a portable plug point. We can move it anywhere. This is the shower room. They call it the shower room. It's a beautiful setup. We really can't take our eyes off. It's a glass shower. Again with the wooden ceiling. Look at the lamps they have. The decor and the ambience that they create for the feeling is all that it counts. That's a small basin setup. That's the bathtub. Now there again there are two separate towels. The white towels are for the bath and the green ones are for when we go out on the beach. There are two different basins. They have made sure that everything they do, every single precaution and care is taken for us to make as comfortable as possible. And now we are entering another cherry on the cake, and that's it, this jacuzzi and the beach balcony. Look at how amazing the weather, the view. It's quiet, it's as calm as you cannot imagine. That's how I can describe it. It's calmer than you can imagine. Even the color decors, they are making up our moods for happiness and the vacation that we are looking for. Look at the color change of the waters. So these waters are, we have a staircase down which goes into the water. These waters are not more than 2 to 3 feet deep, and as the color changes over there, they are the depth waters. So we can freely enjoy, even the non-swimmers can enjoy. And also there are life jackets, so it's all the safety precautions are taken over here. Guys, it's been half an hour I have been on this resort, and I cannot find a single spot where I cannot take a picture. It's more and more than you can imagine or whatever you have seen in the movies. It's much more than that, guys. You have to visit Maldives. More updates later, guys.